If each one works alone, Anna can finish a job in 4 hours, Trisha in 3 hours, and Maria in 6 hours. How long will it take them to finish the same job if they work together? So let's use the formula for work problem. We have 3 characters here, Anna, Trisha, and Maria. So therefore, the formula for this is 1 over A for Anna, rate of Anna, plus 1 over B, rate of Trisha, plus 1 over C, rate of Maria, alone, equals 1 over X. X is their rate together. So just substitute the given and solve the value of X. Okay, so we have rate of Anna is 4 hours. So we have 1/4 plus 1 over rate of Trisha is 3 hours. So 1/3 plus 1 over rate of Maria is 6. So we have 1/6 equals 1 over X. Okay, so let's find the value of X. So we need to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD of 4, 3, 6, and X. So the LCD of 4, 3, 6, and X is 12X. Okay, so multiply both sides of the equation by 12X. So let's distribute this. 12X times 1/4 or just divide 12X divided by 4. That is equal to 3X plus 12X divided by 3. So that is equal to 4X plus 12x divided by 6, that is equal to 2x, equals, so when we multiply this, we can cancel out the x. We have 1 times 12, that is 12. Then combine the 3x. 3x plus 4x plus 2x, that is equal to 9x equals 12. Last step, divide both sides by 9. So therefore, the value of x is 12 over 9 hours, or not in the choices, so we need to reduce this to lowest term. We can divide both by the LCD of 12 and 9, or the GCF, sorry. GCF of 12 and 9 is 3. So divide both by 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So therefore, the final answer is 4/3 hours, which is letter B. Follow me for more content like this.